Your helmet just became your smartest riding companion. Imagine riding with a heads-up display showing your speed, navigation, and blind spot warnings, all without taking your eyes off the road. This isn't science fiction, this is 2025, and motorcycle safety technology is saving lives right now. Let's dive in. What's up, riders? Welcome back to your channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell because we're covering the cutting-edge tech that's revolutionizing motorcycle safety. Today, we're talking about advanced rider assistance systems, collision detection, and smart helmets with HUD technology that are literally changing the game. And stick around until the end because I'll share the best smart helmets you can buy right now and which safety features you absolutely need in 2025. The safety revolution. Let's start with the reality check. According to recent industry reports, the global advanced rider assistance systems market is projected to grow from $500 million in 2025 to over $3.86 billion by 2032. That's a massive 12% annual growth rate. Why? Because riders are dying and the industry is finally doing something about it. Here's the thing. Motorcycle accidents are brutal. Your hands hit the ground first, your body follows, and without proper gear and technology, the consequences are catastrophic. But manufacturers like BMW, Ducati, Harley-Davidson, and Bosch aren't sitting idle anymore. Advanced Rider Assistance Systems, or ARAS, are now integrating technologies that were previously only found in high-end cars. We're talking radar sensors, cameras, inertial measurement units, and AI algorithms working together to prevent crashes before they happen. These systems provide real-time monitoring of your surroundings, giving you collision warnings, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and even automatic emergency braking. For example, BMW's 2025 R1300 GS Adventure comes with an optional riding assistance package featuring active cruise control, front collision warning, and lane change warning. Ducati's 2025 Multistrada V4S includes blind spot detection and front and rear collision warnings as standard equipment. This isn't optional anymore, folks. It's becoming the new baseline: cornering ABS and stability control. Now, let's talk about one of the most life-saving innovations in motorcycle safety over the last few decades: anti-lock braking systems, or ABS. But we're not talking about your basic ABS anymore. We're talking about cornering ABS that uses internal measurement units, IMUs, to detect your lean angle. Here's why this matters. Traditional ABS prevents your wheels from locking up during straight-line braking. Great. But what happens when you need to brake hard while you're leaned over in a corner? That's where 90% of riders would be screwed. Cornering ABS changes everything. This system uses a 6D IMU that analyzes acceleration and angular rate 100 times per second. It knows exactly how much you're leaning and adjusts braking pressure accordingly to keep you stable without disrupting your lean angle. Companies like Bosch have developed motorcycle stability control, or MSC, that supports riders during both braking and acceleration, whether you're riding straight or cornering. The technology gets even better with cornering enhanced traction control, or CTCS, which prevents your rear wheel from spinning out during acceleration in corners. And there's cornering enhanced drag torque slip control, or CDSCS, designed to reduce excessive rear wheel slip when you downshift aggressively or let off the throttle on wet roads. Harley-Davidson's Reflex Defensive Rider System is a perfect example. It includes CABS, CTCS, CELB, which is cornering enhanced electronic linked braking, and even vehicle hold control to prevent your bike from rolling backwards on hills. This suite of technologies is keeping riders upright and in control when it matters most.
All right, now we're getting to the really cool stuff. Smart helmets with heads-up display technology. This is where motorcycle gear meets Iron Man. In November 2025, Shoei partnered with French company iLights to launch the GT Air 3 Smart, the world's first helmet with fully integrated augmented reality. This isn't some clunky add-on. The entire system, nano OLED projector, battery, speakers, microphone, and wiring, is built directly into the helmet shell. The HUD projects critical information like speed, GPS navigation, incoming calls, and radar warnings directly into your field of vision at a perceived distance of 3 meters. That means you're not looking down at your dash or fumbling with your phone. Everything you need is right there, in your line of sight, without blocking your view of the road. But Shoei isn't alone. At CES 2025, intelligent Cranium helmets unveiled what they're calling the world's smartest AI motorcycle helmet. This thing is insane. It features a 260-degree field of view using dual rear cameras and a front camera with 152 degrees, giving you a combined 360-degree view when factored with your natural vision. It has lane departure warnings, proximity alerts to prevent side collisions, crash detection with automatic emergency contact alerts, voice-activated recording, and a full communication system with mesh networking. And get this, it weighs only 3.68 pounds, barely heavier than premium helmets like the Shoei RF 1400. Battery life? Around 6 hours, which is more than enough for most riders. TVS Motor Company also showcased their AR helmet developed with Swiss startup Aegis Rider. This helmet projects riding data, speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, turn signals directly onto the visor. It includes a 5MP integrated action camera and is both ECE 22.06 and DOT certified. They're planning to integrate vehicle-to-everything communication and cloud-based ride analytics in future versions. And if you want an aftermarket solution, Moto Eye offers the E6 Plus HUD unit that retrofits into compatible full-face helmets. It combines HUD, navigation, Bluetooth, intercom, and voice commands in one device. The best part? You don't have to buy a whole new helmet. Smart helmets are game changers, but let's not forget about the rest of your body, especially your hands. Your hands are the first thing to hit the ground in a crash, and the road surface can shred unprotected skin in seconds. The search volume for motorcycle helmets, gloves, and protective gear is at an all-time high, and for good reason. Modern gloves now feature CE Level 2 KP certification, the highest level of tested protective performance. Brands like Alpenstars, Dynace, Revit, Held, and Knox are leading the charge with gloves that use carbon fiber knuckle protectors, palm sliders made from titanium or ceramic composites, and materials like D3O that harden on impact while staying flexible during normal riding. For example, the Alpenstars GP Tech V2 gloves are CE Level 2 KP certified racing gloves with stretch aramid construction. The Lindstrand's Bergby gloves offer all-day comfort with wide gauntlets for sport and touring jackets. And for summer riding, the Alpenstars SMX1 Air V2 gloves provide exceptional protection and ventilation for under $75. Beyond gloves, we're seeing adaptive LED headlights that adjust brightness and angle for night riding, smart brake lights that flash during sudden stops, and reflective clothing with wearable lights to increase visibility from every direction. Improving visibility is one of the simplest ways to stay safe, yet it's often overlooked.
The future and what you need. So where is all this tech heading? The future is wild. We're looking at AI-powered hazard prediction, vehicle-to-infrastructure communication, where your helmet talks to traffic lights and other vehicles, and even more advanced augmented reality that overlays turn directions that align perfectly with real-world roads. But here's the reality. You don't need to wait for the future. The technology is here now, and it's becoming more affordable every year. The question is, what do you need? If you're serious about safety, here's my recommendation. For helmets, Shoei GT Air 3 Smart, around $800 to $900 if you want premium integrated HUD. Intelligent Cranium ICR series, starting at $540 for the ICR-E economy model, up to $1,790 for the top-spec ICRS Plus if you want 360-degree vision and AI assistance. Moto Eye E6 Plus, around $200 to $300 if you want an affordable retrofit HUD for your existing helmet. For rider assistance, look for bikes with cornering ABS, traction control, and IMU-based systems. BMW, Ducati, Harley, and KTM all offer these. Bosch MSC is the gold standard for stability control. For protective gear, Invest in CE Level 2 KP certified gloves. Brands like Alpenstars, Knox, and Held are your best bets. Get adaptive LED lighting and reflective gear to maximize visibility. Don't cheap out on armor. D3O, SAS Tech, and carbon fiber are worth every penny. Ride safe, ride smart, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.